Hey beautiful babes, it's your girl Sweet Angel. Welcome into the channel. Y'all, I'm excited today. I got roses and they are from Rose Forever. I don't know if you've ever heard of Rose Forever or not, but I have seen it all on social media. I've seen it on YouTube and I saw everybody getting these roses and I wanted some myself, but lucky me, I did receive an email from Rose Forever and they definitely wanted to share some of these roses with me. It is my pleasure to show them to you today. Rose Forever is a New York based rose brand and they launched their luxurious preserved rose arrangements in 2019, and since then they've been designing new bouquets made with hand-picked, exquisite, long-lasting roses. I got a chance to pick out the ones that I wanted. I chose these ivory roses in this square shaped box. I thought these were beautiful and I thought they would work well with the aesthetic in my beauty room. So excited. I have 9 roses. Yes, and I am too thrilled. Y'all already know girls love receiving roses. Now, I personally was not a big flower girl, have never been. The reason being is that roses will die, and these, guess what? These will be around for a long time. Listen, before I get off into the details of these roses, please note I have a discount code for you right in front of you right here. You'll get $15 off your order using my personalized discount, Sweet Angel 15. Just use my code Sweet Angel 15. Sweet Angel 15. Perfect. I know, you're welcome. And I know you will enjoy the roses just like I am enjoying mine. Now, these are made of 100% natural, fresh flowers. And Rose Forever only use natural oils to preserve the roses. And the bouquets are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. Now you can get the roses in the square shaped, like I have, square shaped velvet box, or you can get a round shaped velvet box in 3 different sizes. There's the one like I have, which has 9 roses. Then you have one with 16 roses, or you can get the one with 36 roses per box. They create these roses in a diverse palette of shades, and they don't stop at standard colors, but they also manage to source darker ones like black and gray, and really special shades like gold and silver. Amazing. Hey, check out the website below. I do have all of the links down below for you so you can check it out, and also make sure you get that $15 off discount. That's a good discount for you, so check the website out and definitely don't forget the discount. Thank you so much, Rose Forever, for this collaboration, and I am super excited. And now y'all, let's get on to today's video. Oh yes, honey, I love those roses. Now, my hubby, he sends me roses when the roses start blooming in like picture form. He will snap a shot of it because he knows, like, oh my gosh, like, she don't like flowers like that because she knows they're going to die. But those are not going to die, and the ones that he sends me a snapshot of are not. So that's why I'm in love with those. Those are going to be around for a while unless somebody with sticky fingers comes to take them. So if they take them away, and y'all know who I'm talking about, Mattie, you know, Mattie's Glam Life. She got those sticky fingers. When she sees stuff that I have that she loves, she starts swiping things. So
swiper, no swiping.
But anywho, so today's video, y'all, check this out. I just wanted to talk about briefly, ladies, I'm talking to the ladies. Why is it that when we are available looking for Mr. Right. Oh, we're doing everything to be the queen, okay? We want to be nails done, hair intact, makeup on, heels on all the time, whether you got on sweats or jeans, looking just fly and fabulous. But when you get the guy, now don't look at me now, because it's my time to pamper myself, and that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about you looking raggedy with the sweatpants on, that same old t-shirt that's stretched out on, hair rollers in your head 24/7 or halfway in your head. Let's put it like that. Girl, nails busted. Bush is bigger than the bushes outside of the house. What's the problem? Why don't you get yourself together and make it right? You know, that man, he loves you. Yeah, he loves you, and I understand you feel that he loved me no matter what. But he loves his eye candy as well. So at the end of the day, what I want you to do is sit down and look in that mirror and say, girl, girl, get it together today. Okay, get it together today. Not only do you do that for him, but first of all, first and foremost, do it for yourself. Look cute, get it together, and you'll feel better, you'll do better, you'll live better. You know, don't have him giving you little nicknames that you're looking sloppy woppy or shitty witty, because guess what, when he does those things, he's letting you know he's not pleased with what he sees every day. And he may say, oh, I'm just kidding, baby, because he don't want no trouble, because you know they don't want no trouble. You know how y'all be running your mouth. He just wants you to know you could do a little better. He don't want to hurt your feelings, but get it together, because if you're not going to be his eye candy, then who's going to be his candy? Who's going to be the eye candy? And then when he starts looking at candy, then you get mad. You're getting mad because you know you ain't bringing yourself up to the level. And you know you need to do that. So, let me tell you this. Right now, get it together. It's a new year. Come on, we can say new you. It doesn't matter. That doesn't mean you have to do anything drastic. But do what you used to do. When you were looking for the fella, you got the fella, and guess what? You know, and the crazy part is, y'all know, these fellas be falling in love with these fictitious Instagram filters and all this Photoshop, and then when they get the real girl, she don't look like nothing like on that picture. She don't look like anything on that picture. It looks like something else going on. And that's where the disappointment sets in. Do you want to be the disappointment? Or do you want to make sure he makes an appointment to make sure he sees you? All I say is, ladies, get it together. And look, this is part of the get together, okay? This is part of the get together. Pamper yourself, take care of yourself, make yourself a priority. For real. And you'll be glad you did. Because why? Number one, do it for you. Okay? Number one, do it for you. Regardless of if you have the fella or you're looking for the fella, do it for you. Make it your habit. Make it your regimen to take care of number one, and that's you. Okay? And then it won't be like a burden. Oh, it won't be like a burden. It'll be just who you are. Yes, indeed. And honey, the mask, you want to know about this? Y'all need to head on over to Beauty by Sweet Angel and check it out. It's almost time for me to get this off, but a few more things we need to chit chat about. Listen, I am definitely on a mission this year, changing up the game a little bit, as y'all can see, to make sure my ladies are on top of it. On top of it. Not for anybody else, but for you. For you. Making you a priority. And I promise you, when you put yourself first, everything else will fall in place. Yes, it will. I'm excited about the new year. You know, I'm going to keep grinding like I've been grinding. Going to keep working like I've been working. But you know what? It's just, woo, when 2021 came in, I just felt, hey, I was just, oh gosh, I just threw the whole 2020 in the trash. Like, you know, not that it was anything crazy that happened to me personally, but as the world turned, it became crazy. And I am just a person whose heart goes out to those that are going through. Now, there's a lot of people going through that put some things on themselves. They put it on themselves. Now, those people need some tough love, and they need some understanding about themselves. But when things are projected on us that are created for whatever reason, you know, and people get caught up in the crossfire, my heart goes out. My heart goes out. This is crazy. But I think the one thing that we can do as women, again, step up your game, you know, stay focused on you. Stay focused on you and get it all together. Listen, y'all, I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Yes, I am still your girl, Sweet Angel, coming to you 2021 with some real. And I want y'all to bring it to me as well. So if you have any questions you want to drop on me, if you have any concerns you want to talk about, listen, you can send it to my email. Just send it on over to info@beautybysweetangel.com. and we'll chit chat about it here on the channel. Don't have to give your name. You can be anonymous, no problem. But we are explaining right now, ladies, how to step up your game, how to be that one, how to be on it in 2021 and from here on out. Anywho, I'm out of here. Got to take this mask off. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share your girl with your world. All right, gotcha.